Here is how you can prevent weight gain during the quarantine. A lot of people are now concerned about gaining weight during the ongoing coronavirus crisis as they find themselves sitting around more. Most of us are stress eating and snacking out of boredom while holed up inside our homes. Dietitians and health experts have the same concerns. As people adjust to social distancing measures and stress levels spike, they recognize that unintentional weight gain could follow. We are sitting a lot, and we may not be burning as many calories as we would be if we were going to the office. We don't have that kind of unintentional movement that we have become so dependent upon, said Diane Stedler, a licensed dietitian and associate professor of medicine at Oregon Health and Science University. The fear of added pounds during this time is a reflection of the diet culture we live in. We are terrified of weight gain. You might also be freaking out that not having access to the gym will lead to weight gain or a total loss of any progress you have made with fitness. Again, that isn't really true. Stop obsessing over your quarantine weight gain and cut yourself some slack. You can still do a lot to prevent this weight gain. Here are a few tips that will help you prevent weight gain during quarantine. Avoid fatty diet and drink water. Making smart food choices right now is key to losing weight and staying healthy. You just have to eat healthy. Make sure you're getting that protein, vegetables, and fruits. Limit sugary drinks, alcohol, and snacks. This will not only make us keep our weight in a balance, but also help boost that immune system and get us all through this. Also, there's one thing that most of us have access to, and that can help you avoid getting sick and keep the weight off. And that thing is water. It's cheap and it's just so good for us. It's good for our immune system, it's good for detoxification processes, it keeps you fuller so you don't have this desire to eat much. Water will keep your skin fresh and healthy and also help you keep that weight in check. Stay active. If you can't get outside, move inside your house. Provide your help in the kitchen. Play with your kids. Clean your own room. Find some way to be active. Make a schedule and do at least 1 or 2 active tasks a day. You may no longer be going into the office or dropping kids off at school, but you can still create some structure in your daily life by setting an alarm and following your regular morning routine. You can also do yoga and exercise at home. Set aside some portion of your day for exercise, whether that's running through an intense home workout or doing something as simple as walking around your block or house. Exercise reduces stress and can lead to better sleep, which in turn makes it easier to cut down on mindless and emotional eating. But if you're not a workout kind of person, you can also learn some dancing. It's fun and it will keep you active and help you prevent that weight gain. Have a little, but not a lot. It's not necessary to go on a new quarantine diet and swear off sweets or other snacks completely. Food can bring joy and comfort, and that's okay. The most important thing is to be sure to add these extras mindfully. Create balance by listening and honoring your appetite. Eating without the distraction of your phone, computer, or TV, and eating slowly to savor and activate your senses. Follow these tactics and you will have the utmost enjoyment with every meal or snack. Eat nutritionally balanced meals. Start with veggies, half your plate, and divide the other half with lean proteins, healthy fats, and 100% whole grains. By eating plenty of vegetables, fruits, and not including highly processed snacks like chips, cereals, crackers, and cookies, you will help fuel your body better physically and mentally. You might sleep better, feel less bloated, and even have more energy. Who doesn't need more energy with their kids home every day? In short, follow these tips and make sure you're getting up, you're moving, you're not sitting, you're not just looking at a screen the whole day, and it will help us through this time and keep your weight in balance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And do share with us your tips of staying in shape during quarantine.